Welcome back to the remix. Hit the wrong button. Got to start over. It's all right. It's all right. It is all right. You know. So, if you're just joining us, we are trying to do a difficult problem that we could do in our calculator, but not. We cannot do it and get an exact answer. Okay. And so what we're going to have to do is get our answer and then check it in the calculator. So in order to do that, we're going to have to use the quotient rule. So the high function is 4 plus cosecant of x. The derivative of the high function, you might need to use your little derivative sheet for that, and that is negative cosecant of x, cotangent of x. Okay, so far so good. The low function is 8 minus the cosecant of x, and the derivative of the low function is, well, the derivative of 8 is 0. I should have said that before. And so then the derivative of negative cosecant is positive cosecant of x, cotangent of x, okay? So now we're ready to do our quotient rule, which is low d high minus high d low all over low low. So low d high minus high d low all over low low. Now, Jude, you wouldn't be inclined to like cancel the 8 minus cosecant of x, would you? No. That would maybe even ruin the video.
Yeah. God.
So we're not going to cancel anything. And I'm now going to go to my unit circle. You could simplify things, but I don't think it's going to save us any time. Now, on my unit circle, I actually don't need a unit circle, but I allow you guys to use it. All you need to know is they're 30, 60, 90, 45, 45, 90 triangles. Pi over 6, that's 30 degrees. Okay? Let's see. 1, 2, radical 3. This is how I used to do it in the 90s. And so, this point right here is the point, cosine comes first, adjacent over hypotenuse. Radical 3 over 2. Sorry, this is not working. Radical 3 over 2, comma, 1/2, okay? So that tells me what the cosine and the sine is. Well, cosecant is 1 over sine. So the cosecant of pi over 3 is 2. Sorry, pi over 6. Pi over 6 is 2, okay? We're also going to need to know the cotangent of pi over 6. Okay, well, cotangent, well, that's the inverse of tangent. Tangent's y over x, so cotangent's x over y. So that's going to be radical 3 over 1. Okay? This is why we took pre-calculus first. There's a lot into this problem that I can't explain in real time. All right, so now, look, I can just plug this in. You get 8. I'm just cosecant of x is 2, so 8 minus 2, 6. See how I got that?
Yes.
Okay, negative cosecant cotangent. So negative 2 radical 3. See how I got that? And then minus 4 plus the cosecant of x. 4 plus 2. Cosecant cotangent. Oh, is that going to be 0? No, it's not, because they're both negatives. On the bottom, you're going to get 8 minus 2, 6 squared, 36. So what do we get? We get a negative 24 radical 3 over 36, which is divide each by 6. Yeah, and you get negative 4 radical 3. I'll divide them by 12. Come on, math teacher. Negative 2 radical 3 over 3. Notice, that's what that is. Okay? Just written differently. Now, check your answer in your calculator. All right, here we go. You got the equation by any chance?
What were the two numbers?
Yeah, let's go back. We got 4 and 8. 4 and 8. So, alpha, y equals, enter.
4 plus cosecant of x.
4 plus cosecant of x is 1 over sine of x. So now I need an alpha, y equals, enter. 1 over sine x. Okay? Right? And on the bottom, we have 8 minus cosecant. So 8 minus alpha, y equals, enter. 1 over sine of x. Okay? Now, I don't want to graph it because it's going to take too long. I don't even want to trace it. I want to calculate dy dx. It still doesn't. That's right. It was at pi over 6, right?
Yeah.
So I got to let this trace the graph. Now, this is where they don't really indicate to you what they want you to do. At this window, you type in what you want. So I'm typing in pi over 6 and hit enter. And it tells us that our answer is 0.5235988. Okay? Remember that, 5235988. Now, our answer was, oh, by the way, no, I lied. The answer, Jude, is right here. It's negative 1.15708. It's telling us right there. I need to use my eyes. You write that down?
Yeah.
Now, our answer was negative 2 radical 3 over 3. So what we want to do is see, does this equal negative 2 radical 3 over 3? Alpha y equals, enter. Negative 2 radical 3 over 3. Bang! Got it. Good question. I appreciate you asking it. Boom!